And you, maybe it's the sunshine shining, the pale moon rising, the stars sitting up in the sky. Maybe it's a little bitty baby, a little old ladies, all the songs that make you cry. Maybe it's a road trip, late nights, countryside, city lights, the flavor of your favorite food. Everybody's got something they love to do, so what makes the world go round for you? Well, it's a big world and there's a whole lot in it.
Hey, do you know how sucky video games would be if they're real? Let's find out. Wait, I can get a drink.
Why don't I respond?
I don't want you to. Meg. Hi, Dad. Hey, Meg. Hi. Namaste. What is it? Shut up, Meg! Shut up, Meg! Shut up. Bitch.
Oh, let's hit the wall for the princess's birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'll try punching that brick up there.
Oh, I got it.
Wait, you're the bigger ball. We used to.
We must get the money. There it is. The money.
Alright, you go first.
Let's put this money over here. Ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Just go.
Yes.
Just to go.
Damn it, you motherfucking.
Okay, my turn. Let me try.
I hated that the ball.
Oh dear.
Luigi, you okay?
I'm fine. Wait. How about that thing over there?
I don't know what to do.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
You're such a crybaby, Mario.
You try again.
No!
Who is the cry baby now?
You are. Thanks for watching.
Damn that motherfucker.